Justice must be delivered for Anjal Chakma. Stop violence against Northeast students now. Authorities cannot ignore racially motivated attacks.
हम लोग इस तरह से व्यवहार नहीं होना चाहिए.
News of the brutal attack on a promising young MBA student Anjal Chakma from Tripura has raised a wave of grief and anger across the northeast and the country as a whole. On December 26 in Dehradun, the shocking stabbing of Anjal sent him to the hospital where he succumbed to grave spinal and brain injuries. His sudden death sparked outrage across Tripura, Assam and other northeastern states, instilling fear among families and communities. Justice is being demanded by citizens, while students are concerned about safety away from home.
भी भारतीय है, हाँ, स्थान से हम अरुणाचली है, हम नागा है, हम मणिपुरी है, हम त्रिपुरा के हैं, मगर हम भारत वंश का एक अटूट सेना.
The attack has triggered serious concerns over the safety of students from Assam, Tripura, and in fact, the whole north is studying elsewhere in India. Eyewitnesses described the assault as deliberate, while many claimed it was racially motivated. Angel's father spoke emotionally about his son's last moments, alleging medical negligence and narrating how he was willing to sell a kidney to save him. Families deserve answers. Government must act.
इस तरह का मजाक उड़ाना और अटैक करना ये तो देश के लिए बहुत ही शर्मनाक घटना है.
Protect every citizen and fear and discrimination. Delay in action is a betrayal of trust. Protests are widespread in Tripura, Assam and other northeastern communities as people demand accountability, justice and better safety. Chakma Students' Union has demanded a CBI probe and trial outside Uttarakhand, saying they do not have faith in the Uttarakhand administration. Chief Minister of Tripura promised strict action, while the BJP leadership said it was an issue concerning law and order. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi termed it a hate crime, accusing the ruling party of failing to protect the citizens. Pradyut Manikya declared a ₹10 lakh reward for perpetrators. The NHRC has sought a report from the Dehradun authorities. Dehradun SSP claims that racial motives are ruled out, but northeastern communities remain skeptical. Justice has to be quick and visible. The families maintain to serve as a deterrent for the security of all students from Assam and the region.
हम लोग को एक ना एक बार ये चीज फेस करना पड़ता है या फिर जो रेसिस्ट हम यहाँ पे फेस करते हैं उसके लिए उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए हमें.
The death of Anjal Chakma has sent shockwaves through the northeast, leaving bereaved families and communities angry and seeking answers. Students in Assam, Tripura and other northeastern states are pressing for decisive action by the government. People demand the punishment of perpetrators, strict safety measures and that students feel safe wherever they study. This accident should forever underline the following. No student deserves to live in fear because of their origin. Justice, equality and protection for the Northeast community are basic non-negotiables. The nation watches while the Northeast waits.
और ऐसे घटनाएं नहीं होने के लिए सबको अवेयरनेस करना चाहिए. ये मानसिकता का बीमारी जो है वो सब में नहीं होते हैं, कुछ लोगों में होता है और उसके वजह से समाज को नुकसान होता है, देश को नुकसान होता है.
News Just reports such the reality.
বিয়া জন্মদিন বা আপোনাৰ যিকোনো বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে ওয়ান ষ্টপ সলিউশন এম্বিয়েন্স বেনকুৱেটছ আপোনাৰ প্ৰতিটো অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে এটাই শ্ৰেষ্ঠ স্থান. গুৱাহাটীজ ফাইনেষ্ট এণ্ড লাক্সাৰিয়াছ বেনকুৱেট হল. এম্বিয়েন্স বেনকুৱেটছ perfect for every celebration. For booking, contact 7099013417 or visit 5th floor above Reliance Centro, RG Burwa Road, Guwahati.